welcome to Vlogmas day 3. We are going to get our coffee. And then we're gonna make this day productive because I slept in a little bit this morning. I was supposed to wake up at 6, but I slept in until 7, which I wasn't supposed to, but it's okay. It's all right. This morning, we are gonna be using the Will Work for Makeup #Life Goals mug, which I got from Generation Beauty a couple of years ago. And we need some coffee. Do you guys unplug your coffee maker? I just feel like it's better just to unplug it because you never know. Maybe it's just me. So I have some work to do on my MacBook, and then we have a ton of cleaning to do. I'm gonna share with you guys what Darren's room looks like. Primarily it's clean, but there were some items that I set aside for donation, for the giveaways, things that we're gonna send to Alaska, and also some items that I need for Vlogmas this year. So his room is like a freaking disaster, and we have laundry to put away. So today is kind of like that day when we just need to get everything done, but I have to get some work done before I can do that, because technically right now it is work time, so we gotta get to work. Almost 12, so it's time for lunch. Today we're gonna be having some pot stickers. Just gonna let this steam for about 35 minutes. My mom just found the angel, but we're still missing a couple of items like stockings and stuff like that. But look, she is wrapped in bath tissue, which is essentially toilet paper wrapper from Kirkland. Stickers are ready. This is my son's room, which looks like a huge disaster because this is all my stuff. My little Christmas tree box, and then we have all this other mess going on right here. Items to be donated, giveaway boxes, stuff that I just recently purchased, some PR packages, and then we have some stuff that I will be sending out to Alaska. More things over here on this side. All these items were in our room, and I just ended up putting it in here because I thought it would free up space, but then everything just started piling up in this room, and technically this isn't even my room. This is my son's room, so it shouldn't be like this. We need to clean it up. I am FaceTiming with Darren. Thankfully, he's all good with letting me film. Say hi, Darren. Hello? You're lying. He's currently in North Carolina. Yeah. This whole area situated. Now, remember before it was pretty much all of this was covered with stuff. So basically took care of everything and like really pushed it over to the side. Donation pile, giveaway pile, stuff for Alaska. And then we just have, I did like a bit of unboxings and stuff on my Insta story. Those boxes over there are his. And then I have some of my shoes over here, which is okay. It's still a little bit messy, but I need to buy some clear storage containers from Daiso. Told him I would just put up his mini Christmas tree in his room. He's had this for like years. So it's kind of like tradition to put it up connected to a timer. Today was really super chill, since basically I was just at home, did like a ton of cleaning, did some work, and I was planning to go out, but that didn't end up happening. I was able to go through tons of emails and stuff, so I felt very, very, very productive today. So we're gonna end today with the 24 days of tea from David's Tea. So we are right here, day number 3. The boxes are so pretty. What is day number 3? Yes, I basically spent the whole day in my pajamas since I was just at home anyway. So, oh, this is a good one. It's called Let It Snow. I remember this from last year. So steep for 3 to 4 minutes. Ooh, this one smells good. It was so nice FaceTiming with Darren earlier. We FaceTimed with him for a long time actually. So that's a great thing, since now he's basically stationed in North Carolina. At least he has his phone all the time. So Let It Snow is actually spiced eggnog, which I've never really been a fan of eggnog. Its ingredients: candied pineapple, pineapple cane sugar, citric acid, sulfur oxide, green tea, black currants, apple cinnamon, white chocolate, sugar, cocoa butter, milk powder, whey powder, soy lecithin, natural vanilla, cloves, stevia extract, natural flavoring. At the bottom, it gives the calories for the tea. 1 cup includes 5 calories. Go ahead and open our chocolate advent calendar from Trader Joe's. So day number 3 is all the way up here, which is Italy. Ooh, I just ripped that. Ooh, it looks like a cupcake. Yeah, it is. It's a little cute cupcake. All right. Let's take this out. Ooh, it smells good. No, I'm making a mess. That is not good. Let's try Let It Snow, which is really spiced eggnog. So if this is what eggnog tastes like, then I guess I'm missing out. Let me know if you guys are a fan of eggnog. Let's have our chocolate. I'm so happy I bought this chocolate advent calendar. It really makes all the difference when you're drinking the tea. Let's go ahead and hang up day number 3. I think we'll put it right here at the bottom. That's perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and end Vlogmas day 3 here. Sorry, I know today was like super chill, but tomorrow and pretty much the rest of the week we are gonna be busy and doing things. I hope you guys had a really great Monday, and I hope you guys have a great Tuesday when you guys are watching this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the vlog, please make sure you hit that like button as well as subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 4.